Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the sheet so formulas behave predictably. Set calculation to automatic, save a backup, and normalize headers and data types. Use trim to remove stray spaces. Next, select the cell where you want the result, type an equals sign, and click the cells that supply inputs rather than typing values. Once done, press Enter to calculate. Make sure to use simple references, first to confirm results, before moving to more complex functions or absolute references. Now assemble the logic. Swap simple references for absolute refs using $ where rows or columns must stay fixed, and create named ranges for repeated inputs. Combine functions to perform complex work, nest if inside SUMIFs, or use text to format numbers. For matching across tables, use XLOOKUP or index with match. They prevent column order issues. Once combined, use parentheses to control evaluation order and test with sample rows. Make sure to document intent in nearby comments or a legend cell. Finish by validating every formula. Use evaluate formula and trace precedents to follow calculations, and toggle show formulas to scan quickly. Once results are final, convert volatile outputs to values with paste special when sharing, and protect important input cells with sheet protection. If errors appear, use IFER to provide friendly defaults for a #ref. Error, restore the deleted rows/columns or update references to valid ranges. If calculations still fail, recheck data types and named ranges for typos.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.